Good morning. So, second day in Lyon today.
Today we're doing a very good one day or one afternoon excursion from Lyon. We're going to
Pérouges,
yes,
which is a small medieval city, just a little bit outside of Lyon city. Yeah, so bright and early, we're at the train station already, waiting for our train to come. And we'll see you in Pérouges.
yes. And what's in Pérouges? Did you say it already? There's a medieval city.
I think we said it already, but
Okay, I'm still asleep.
she clears first. Okay. Good morning. Okay, so we made it to Pérouges, and there's a trail map that we'll be following. And, it should help us reach the city and also explore a bit the town. The first order of business is to find some breakfast. So let's get started.
Oh my god. Very old town vibes.
Yeah.
The trail is leading us out of the town.
Into the wilderness.
It's turning into a hike. Into the French countryside we go.
Yes.
The cows are not included in the normal road.
Yeah.
We took a wrong turn.
Yeah.
So we're heading back.
Made it. Okay, so let's see. We have a look around inside the walls, I guess, of the city. Looks charming. Very quiet. Bit eerie with the fog, but let's see.
Although this place feels like a built-up fun park, the village is actually a real one, a well-preserved medieval village. It truly feels like you're stepping back in time to the Middle Ages.
apparently the specialty here is something called galette.
It's very different from the Maltese galette. This one is a pizza-like sugar overdose.
It does not have cheese, just the pastry.
Yeah, with caramelized sugar on it. Yeah.
And you're supposed to pair it with a cider. So we want to try the combination.
Yeah, let's see. Cheers.
It's definitely sweet. It's like a sugar pizza.
Yeah, you can literally feel the crunching of sugar underneath. That's very nice.
It's good, I like it. Alright, so we're ready from the medieval city. I liked it.
Yeah, so it's a very like quaint.
Sleepy town.
Yeah, very.
So we came here early, around 10, I would say. No, a bit before 10.
Yeah, we arrived about 9, I think.
It was quite empty.
At the train station. Then it's about like a 20-30 minute walk.
It was a nature walk. It was very nice.
Yeah, there's a couple of nice things. Like there's a nice small pond or lake. But yeah, on the whole, it's a nice walk up here.
Then we arrived at the city. It was literally empty, very quiet. Most of the shops open at 11. We had a look around. It's not big, so an afternoon is enough.
Yeah.
But it's very particular. It's very nice. Now we're heading back to the train station and back into Lyon. So I think it's a really good afternoon excursion from the city.
Absolutely, yes.